Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss the part 1 of anatomy of heart, and in the current session we will be discussing the location of heart. As we all know, heart is a small organ and it has a size of your closed fist. So the size of your heart is your closed fist, and the average mass of heart is 250 grams for an adult female, whereas 300 grams for an adult male. And heart rests mainly on the diaphragm near the midline of the thoracic cavity. The location of the heart is it rests on the diaphragm near the midline of the thoracic cavity. To be more precise, the heart lies in an anatomical region called as mediastinum. Heart lies in the mediastinum. Now what is mediastinum? Mediastinum is an anatomical region that extends from the sternum to the vertebral column, from the first rib to the diaphragm and between the lungs. It is the anatomical region that extends from the sternum to the vertebral column, from the first rib to the diaphragm between the lungs. Now, about 2/3 of the mass of the heart, it lies in the left of the midline, and the pointed apex. Heart has an apex and a base, and the pointed apex of the heart is formed by the tip of the left ventricle and it rests on the diaphragm. The pointed apex of the heart is formed by the tip of the left ventricle and it rests on the diaphragm. The apex is directed anteriorly, inferiorly and towards the left. Now, whereas the base of the heart contributes to its posterior surface. The base of the heart is its posterior surface and it is formed mostly by the left atrium. The pointed apex is formed by the left ventricle, tip of the left ventricle, whereas the base of the heart, which is its posterior surface, is formed by the left atrium, mostly by the left atrium. And now coming to the borders of the heart, the anterior surface is deep to sternum and ribs, whereas the inferior surface is the part of the heart between the apex and the right border, and it rests mostly on the diaphragm. The anterior surface of the heart is deep to its sternum and ribs, whereas the inferior surface is the part of the heart that is between the apex and the right border, and it rests mostly on the diaphragm, whereas the right border faces the right lung and it extends from the inferior surface to the base. The right border of the heart, it faces the right lung and it extends from the inferior surface to the base. The left border is also called as the pulmonary border. So which border of the heart is called as the pulmonary border means the left border of the heart is called as the pulmonary border and it faces the left lung and extends from the base to the apex. Now coming to the various organs that are associated with the heart. So this table is also very important. Now these are the locations and the associated organs. As we all know, inferiorly the apex of the heart rests on the central tendon of the diaphragm, the inferior surface, or inferiorly the apex of the heart, it rests on the central tendon of the diaphragm, whereas superiorly heart is surrounded by the great blood vessels like aorta, superior vena cava, pulmonary artery and the pulmonary veins. So superiorly the heart is associated with blood vessels like aorta, superior vena cava, pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. And posteriorly it is associated with the esophagus, trachea, left and right bronchus, descending aorta, inferior vena cava and thoracic vertebrae. whereas anteriorly the organs associated are sternum, ribs and intercostal muscles. Anteriorly the organs associated with the heart are sternum, ribs and intercostal muscles, whereas laterally the organs that are associated with the heart are the lungs. And the left lung, it overlaps the left side of the heart. So laterally heart is associated with lungs, anteriorly it is associated with sternum, ribs and intercostal muscles, whereas posteriorly these are the various locations and the various associated organs. So this table is very important. By this we complete the location of the heart. In the next session we will be discussing the pericardium of heart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on pharmacy related subjects. Now we are